How to do a suspension trainer curtsy lunge. 1. Setup. 1. Attach your suspension trainer, TRX or similar, to a stable anchor point above head height. 2. Hold the handles with both hands and lean back slightly so your arms are straight, weight supported. 3. Stand with feet hip width apart. 2. Execution. 1. Step back and across. Take your right leg behind and across your left leg, like a curtsy, keeping your torso upright. 2. Lower your body. Bend both knees until your front thigh is roughly parallel to the floor. Keep your chest up and core engaged. 3. Push through the front heel. Return to the starting position. 4. Switch sides. Repeat with the other leg stepping behind and across. Tip. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and avoid letting the back knee touch the floor. Use the suspension straps mainly for balance support, not to pull yourself up. Check my next video. Thanks for watching.